The U0101 diagnostic trouble code indicates a complete loss of communication between the engine control module and the transmission control module. This is classified as a network communication issue that affects vehicle operation. Modern vehicles use a controller area network, or CAN bus system, for communication between modules. Here we can see how various control modules connect through this network architecture. The primary causes of U0101 codes fall into 5 main categories. A faulty transmission control module accounts for 30 to 40% of cases, making it the most common cause. The engine control module serves as the central hub, receiving input from multiple sensors throughout the vehicle. This complex network requires precise communication timing to function properly. In the CAN bus system, modules continuously exchange data packets at precise intervals. The transmission control module must maintain constant communication with the engine control module to ensure proper vehicle operation. When communication fails between these critical modules, the U0101 code is triggered. Understanding these causes and the communication system is essential for proper diagnosis and repair. Diagnosing the U0101 code requires a systematic approach, starting with proper verification. The first step is confirming the code using a professional OBD2 scanner. Next, perform a thorough visual inspection. Look for obvious wiring damage, corrosion, or loose connections that could interrupt communication between modules. Electrical testing is crucial for accurate diagnosis. Start by verifying the TCM power supply, which should read 12 volts or higher with the ignition on, and check ground circuits for less than 0.1 volts resistance. CAN bus voltage testing is essential. CAN high should read 2.5 to 3.5 volts. CAN low should be 1.5 to 2.5 volts, with a differential voltage of 1 to 2 volts during active communication. Advanced diagnostics involve using bidirectional scanners to test actual communication with the TCM. This allows you to send commands directly to the module and monitor network traffic in real time. Based on your diagnostic findings, there are 3 main repair solutions. TCM replacement costs $800 to $2,500, wiring repair ranges from $200 to $800, and software reprogramming costs $150 to $400. Always follow these best practices for successful repairs. Verify power and ground circuits before replacing the TCM, as electrical issues are often the root cause. After any TCM service, perform a complete system relearn to ensure proper operation.